They normally require biopsy. How do they do that? They extract fluid
Skin.
or they extract mass where the fluid is or they
Mas?
scrape
Ano yun?
a portion of the tissue
Madami yung
and
bukod.
then give it to cytologists
Hmm.
and then to pathologists. Cytologists observe
Hindi umagat yung konti.
these cells
Ano ba to?
and then
Paano
give it
siya?
to
Cells kasi yan. Paano
pathologists
yung
to monitor
cell?
whether there's
So, pag meron yung
changes,
bukod, ibig sabihin, bumultiply yung mas madami, lumalaki yung cell.
Hmm.
so a patient's treatment can begin sooner, which
Pag
means
nagkaroon ng
there's
cancer,
increased chance of
diba?
success
Meron tayong mga options.
Nabubuo ba sa pinapatay?
if the doctor
Mabubuo.
start seeing
Lumalaki ba?
Oo, lumalaki. So, that's sa uterus.
Akala ko pinapatay niya ibang cell.
Yung iba doon, may kung saan.
microscope.
Kasi ang uterus, di ba kaya siyang malaki yung chan?
Wala si
Wala siya, no matres.
Mahirap.
Wala siya, madami kasi.
Kaya ng
So, ganito na dapat yung matres. Isang ganito na siya kalaki.
Kasi dahil dun sa cell.
Treatment,
virus.
Hmm. Ano?
kasi nag-compare siya ng organs.
Microscope. We have light microscope. We have scanning microscope.
Hindi ako magdilin sa quiz na yan. Putang ina.
How do microscopes differ in their function and capabilities in a
Ito may gulay ha.
minute life form? How do microscope?
Uy, alam mo ba, iniyakan ko si Ino. Kagabi.
How are microscope important?
Ano naman?
Nakita ko siya na sa server, na saan ko siya nakilala. Nandun siya, naka-online siya doon.
How do microscopes?
Kasi kala ko naka-move on na ako, na okay na ako. Tinarinig ko siya nakikipag-usap sa ibang tao. Tangina, parang sumikip yung buong dibdib ko ng ganito, tapos umiiyak na ako.
Diagnosing diseases.
As in,
Ang bading.
like,
Wait, so
gusto ko
nag-join
na
ka sa
akong
call?
unahin na, tangina mo. Ang sakit.
Okay lang yan, te. Isipin mo na lang nakantad ka na niyan.
Hindi, dahil nung nanonood kami ng movie, mabuti sad movie, tangina, umiiyak-iyak ako.
Alam ko na.
Kahapon nangyari nung nanonood kayo.
Ang sakit.
The difference between a light microscope
Wow! Ah! Grabe si Sarah, oh. Nagnonood. Okay.
Focus yan, bitch!
when do we use light microscope? When do we use electron microscope? When do we use scan electron microscope?
Ang ganda talaga ng group natin, te.
Ha?
Ang ganda talaga ng natin, ng friendship natin.
Oo.
Kompleto. Ikaw taga-hipak, ako taga-kain, doon siya taga-aral. Tayo na to, putang ina. Sumagot ka na siya? Ay, wala pa.
Hmm.
Hindi ako sasagot.
Nandiyan si Tita Kat. Hi, Tita.
Hello. Kain.
Kain.
Pang ina sa babaeng to. Lipstick lang putang ina.
Huh?
Nool.
Maganda pa rin habang nasa klase. Ay!
Saan nool? Nagsasalita ba teacher niya?
Pakina sana pag sports day, pumunta si Johanny.
Uy, wala na si Johanny.
Ha?
Wala na si Johanny sa CFA.
Kapatid niya.
Pwede.
Yes!
Okay.
When we talk about light microscope,
Sana.
it's basically used
Nagpe-pray
with
ko talaga
what
yun.
kind of a specimen? What do we use the light microscope for? Normally for
Ano daw?
For observe.
This is what's on the screen is actually a light microscope.
Observe specimens.
So for living organisms, we use light microscope. Although may limitation siya. May limitation siya. Why? Because the resolution and the magnification is very small. So for live organisms, we use light microscope. For electron microscope,
Ang galing ni Tita Ro
detailed
magturo.
magnification
Sobrang lively.
because of the
Ano?
Masayahin ni Tita Roy magsalita, magturo.
but we cannot
Boring.
observe
Nagtatawag ba si Teacher Roy?
living
Ay,
organisms.
Teacher Roy.
Turn namin sa
Ano ba yung Philip, science namin?
fluorescent microscope. It bridges the gap between a light microscope and an electron microscope. Why? Because we can observe living organisms and at the same time at a higher magnification. Yun yung sinatawag natin fluorescent microscope. So before this one,
Dahil kasi mga bigay niya ko.
cell. Can you please identify the two main types of cell? Francis, what are the two main types of cell?
What are the two main types of cell?
Yes, Sophia?
Yes, thank you.
Eukaryotes and prokaryotes.
Eukaryotic cell na prokaryotic. Can you please give us a brief intro of a prokaryotic cell and a eukaryotic cell?
I don't remember it too well, but I think one has a nucleus and the other doesn't. One is used for more complex organisms, and
Ako yung tinawag, di ba?
Thank you, Sophia. When we talk about prokaryotic cell,
Ang ina, magpo-focus na ako. Kinabahan ako.
kasi magnayin.
And the genetic materials is normally closed in a nucleotide. In a eukaryotic cell, like the cells that we have, it is normally bounded by a membrane. All the organelles are bounded by a membrane. So please watch.
Eukaryote. Ano daw?
In this video, we're going to have a look at the similarities and differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. All cells are either prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Organisms with prokaryotic cells are called prokaryotes, and organisms with eukaryotic cells are eukaryotes. Bacteria and archaea are prokaryotes, whereas plants,
Notebook mo
animals, fungi, and all other organisms are eukaryotes. If the genetic material is enclosed by a nuclear envelope, giving a definite nucleus, then they are eukaryotic, like this animal cell. Whereas in prokaryotic cells, there isn't a nuclear membrane, and so no definite nucleus. The DNA is in the cytoplasm. We call a nucleus without a nuclear membrane a nucleoid. It isn't really a structure at all. It is simply the area in which the DNA exists. Prokaryotes were the first type of organisms to evolve and are still the most common organisms today. It is believed that the eukaryotes are evolved from prokaryotes. So the nucleus is a key factor in identifying whether a cell is prokaryotic or eukaryotic, but also the other organelles are too. Organelles are tiny structures in the cytoplasm that perform specific jobs, like the energy-providing mitochondria in the animal cell. Eukaryotic cells contain lots of different organelles, whereas ribosomes are the only organelles found in prokaryotic cells. Ribosomes are where proteins are made. Organelles are very important to eukaryotic cells. Bacteria can get by without them because they are so small. Eukaryotic cells are still too small for our naked eye, but they are huge in comparison to prokaryotic cells. Organelles are an efficient way for eukaryotes to organize everything that is happening inside the cell. The cellular functions are compartmentalized, meaning different organelles carry out different processes. But bigger doesn't necessarily mean better. Small size and simplicity is an advantage to prokaryotes. It suits their lifestyle. Being small means they have a large surface area to volume ratio, and so they can easily meet their nutritional needs to grow quickly and multiply rapidly. So we know that prokaryotes don't have a nucleus like most other organelles. Our final thing to discover is that all prokaryotes are unicellular. They are defined as unicellular organisms that lack a membrane-bound nucleus. Eukaryotes can be either uni or multicellular. We looked at the differences between unicellular and multicellular in this video. The statement that all prokaryotes are unicellular is up for discussion, however, as there is a lot of evidence that show that bacterial species can aggregate together and divide labor, thus forming a colony of cells that work more efficiently. This is a multicellular characteristic. However, there is a lot of resistance to calling any prokaryote
Be,
multicellular. So then,
Sarah,
nucleus-free prokaryotes
classmate nga natin.
eukaryotes.
Ano yan?
Classmate nga namin to yung ano, yung Ali, yung ano ba to? May classmate kami from 2020,
Bading?
I think. Mm. Be,
Sino?
So
oo.
when we talk
Ano
about
to?
prokaryotes, so these are the ones without
Sino?
chromophores.
Yung ano ba to? Yung Alikdan eh.
They can reproduce.
Putang ano ng pangalan? Ano hindi? Yung Ashriel Louise
They
Alikdan.
just divide into two, wherein the
Ano
cells
nga
are
pa naman
Siya nga,
pangalan?
Ben.
in eukaryotic cell, they
Ah.
are more complex, and then the organelles are well founded. I know you are familiar in an organism, whether it is eukaryotic or prokaryotic cells. So, now replicate machineries, cell structure for protein, we have the genetic control of organelles, nucleus and the manufacturing, storage, distribution, and breakdown of organelles. We have the ER channel, the Golgi apparatus, vesicle structure, and lysosomes as well.
Ano daw?
Then we have
Tangina?
the energy processing organelles. These and we have the organelles for structural support.
Hindi ko mag-gets. Naghahabol yung utak ko.
We have the centrosomes, central cilia, and flagella. And then we have the cell surface and junction, which is the tight junction, the gap junction, and then there is a link here. Can you go to HTTPS genetics mutant? This is actually outside of. Okay, kukunin ko lang yung.
Link.
I'll get the link. So can you go over the cell? I'll give you time to go over the cell. Just over it, and then there are organelles. For example, this one. I make it transparent so you can. This is how a eukaryotic cell is. So this is the mitochondria. If you will look at the mitochondria, there's description, and then what does it do? And then you look at the structure. What notable structures can you see?
Miss, we can't see.
Over around, kita ninyo ba yung mga structures ko dito? Can you go over it? Over it.
Wow. The fuck is this?
I'll give you
Cytoskeleton.
time.
Nucleus. Ano mo, ang apis? Mukhang anak ng apis. Ang galing. Oh my god. This is awesome. Equality apparatus.
I'll give you time to go over it. For how many?
The process is called photosynthesis. Water, chlorophyll. Yes. Ang galing. Alarm storing and liquid waves helping the cell grow. Grabe na pati pala ang plants kumakain din.
Ano na silang pumapasok.
Crazy. Crazy. Ang galing. Interesting.
Were you able to observe it?
Initiating pa talaga yung asin.
Bakit huli? Sweeting ka din? There's a question here. Can you see it? Look at the table disorder of R. Observe the silent features of prokaryotic and evaluate cell. I want you to fill out. I want you to fill out yung tables. So, ito yung table niya.
Asan ba? Wala akong link eh.
I want you to fill this out. Pero, I open in breakout room. So you will be in breakout room. There will be 4 breakout rooms. Take note of the structures. For example, mitochondria, mitochondria. So, the structures that are-
Wait lang yung breakout room na yan. Separate.
For example, mitochondria, what can you observe about the structures of mitochondria?
I'm not ready. What the fuck am I gonna do?
May mga ibang foldings.
Okay.
Para sa kanyang foldings. So, take note of the structure and
Parang picture lang yan, tapos
ang
part lang
opening,
yung mga parts.
the rules,
Eh, may breaking rooms kaya putang ina na yan.
Groups lang kayo.
Anong gagawin ko dyan? Oh my God.
Groups lang kayo. Picture lang kayo.
you join the different rooms.
Okay. Perfect.